ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ద ఇండియన్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ 8th క్లాస్ పార్ట్ 2 బిట్స్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్. అవర్ ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ headed by President, Prime Minister, Home Minister, Chief Minister. Correct answer, President. Who elect Lok Sabha members? The people who completed 18 years. Children, landlords, rich people. Correct answer, the people who completed 18 years. Who elect Rajya Sabha members? State assemblies, Lok Sabha members, the people, President. Correct answer, state assemblies. How many levels does the Indian democracy have? 2 levels, 5 levels, 3 levels, 4 levels. Correct answer, 3 levels. Who supervises the expenditure of the government? Control and Auditor General, Attorney General, Judiciary? None. Correct answer, Control and Auditor General. How many amendments are there in Indian till 2011? 97, 87, 101, 103. Correct answer, 97. Who conducts free and fair elections throughout India? Election Commission, Census of India, President of India, Government. Correct answer, Election Commission. Who was the first Food and Agriculture Minister of India? Jai Ramdas, Daulat Ram, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abdul Kalam? None. Correct answer, Jai Ramdas, Daulat Ram. What is living and changing documents? Constitution, national flag, government? None. Correct answer, Constitution. First Health Minister of India? Patel, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Nehru? None. Correct answer, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. First Finance Minister of India? John Mathai, Patel, Nehru, Ambedkar? Correct answer, John Mathai. First Deputy Prime Minister of India? Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Ambedkar, Rajendra Prasad? Correct answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First Labour Minister of India? Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Ambedkar, Jagat Jeevan Ram? Correct answer, Jagat Jeevan Ram. Till today, how many amendments are there in our Indian Constitution? 104, 105, 101, 97. Correct answer, 104. What is Constitution? It is a set of rules. It is a people's group. It is a holy book. None. Correct answer, it is a set of rules. Universal adult franchise means right to vote for every citizen after completion of 18 years. Right to vote for children, Right to vote for all people? None. Correct answer. Right to vote for every citizen after completion of 18 years. Who is our first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, APJ Abdul Kalam. Correct answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following is correct statement? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Sovereign, secular, socialistic, democratic, republic. Sovereign, socialist, democratic, secular, republic. Sovereign, socialistic, secular, republic, democratic. Correct answer. Sovereign, socialistic, secular, democratic, republic. Option A correct. Who is constitutional head in our country? Prime Minister, President of India, Deputy Prime Minister, Collector. Correct answer. President of India. Bill of Rights were introduced in this country? France, America, England, Germany. Correct answer. America.